Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little bit since I uploaded and I have an exciting update for you. We moved. So this was somewhat last minute and you're probably thinking, what the heck? I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you know this already happened, but we did just move in end of February, beginning of March, like right before quarantine happened. We moved into this amazing building and we absolutely loved our space that we were in before. It was so cute and cozy, but you guys know that we are, like, before all of this happened, like, my type of videos were travel videos, travel fashion content. Like, we were constantly moving and doing stuff and not exactly staying in our apartment as much as we have been this year. So we outgrew our space a little bit quicker than we thought in our last apartment. So I thought I would just look because we just love this building so much. You guys know we live in Clinton Hill in Brooklyn, New York, and I just didn't want to leave. I felt like we just got here and we just like love everybody that works here. It's just been so cozy and nice. So I kind of last minute decided to just like go look and see what other units were available. And I found this spot and I absolutely love it. So you guys will see, but it's a little bit bigger. It's a full 2-bedroom, 2-bath, which we are so lucky to have, and we just feel great about it. We have so many more windows, which you guys will see in the empty apartment tour, and we love it. So the whole process of us kind of moving into this was very, very quick. Normally we, pack up everything and, hire movers, and because it was a last minute decision to even look for a new space, it was also a last minute thing of us like getting approved and being like, okay, go move. So we just kind of hauled everything ourselves, which, it was more of a process. It was a little less organized than I normally would be. It wasn't difficult because a lot of the stuff I could just carry down, but it definitely took a while. So that's where we've kind of been, especially these past 2 weeks, kind of getting settled into this new spot. We are planning on staying here for the holidays, so I just wanted to make sure everything was set up and nice and cozy, so Patrick and I can have a good holiday here. So yeah, we are so excited about this space. I can't wait to show you guys. I was able to film an empty apartment tour, which I never usually am able to, just because when you move in New York, it's such like a quick process that to get in and give an empty apartment tour before you actually start getting stuff in there is like pretty hard. At least it has been for me. So I was so excited I was able to show you guys that first before I kind of like get everything in here. So I'm able to show you that, and then a little bit of the process of us moving in. I'm coming at you from the future, so we got a lot more set up now. But I thought I would take you along on that process. We put up our tree. It's a great time. So I hope you guys enjoy. I am back now. I am officially in my new space. I feel like this year has just been absolutely insane. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's look at this apartment before all this stuff is in here. Okay, so I apologize. It's gonna be a little bit echoey, but I wanted to give you guys an empty new apartment tour. So this is the front door, yay. This is a hallway closet, which I am very excited about. Love my closets. So this way to like bedrooms and bathrooms, and then this way to like the living and kitchen. So already you can tell that we have so much more light. Our kitchen is a little bit different, same obviously style, but what I love about it is we actually have like a full-size fridge, full-size dishwasher, full-size oven. So before, our stuff was kind of like shrunken down, like a little bit miniature. So this fridge is like a proper big fridge. Freezer, obviously the same hidden dishwasher, it's just bigger, which you know how grateful I am for a dishwasher. I love it. And then the oven is like a full-size oven, which we've been cooking a lot this year. So this is like everything. I'm very excited about it. We lost a few like cabinet spaces because our other one was an L, but what we lack in cabinet space, we make up for in appliances. So we'll just have to like rearrange and figure out where we put everything a little bit differently. Our island is gonna go here, and then we have so much space, like I can't get over it. I already laid down a rug, but this is gonna be like the living room, kind of goes into the kitchen. I think we're gonna end up putting like a small desk right here. I think that'll be really cute. But yeah, I'm just obsessed with how big it is. It just feels so big, it's so bright. We literally had one window in our living room and kitchen before, so this is such an upgrade, and I feel very lucky about it. Directly from the kitchen and the living space, you can go down this hallway. This is where the front door is, the closet. You go this way, you have another double door closet, which I think is so great, so useful. This will be kind of an overflow closet for Patrick and I, which will be great. And then this is one bathroom, and it has a shower, bath. It's obviously very similar to our one before. I think I'm gonna put the ladder shelf thing right here. It's great, I love this. And then this way are the bedrooms. So this is the washer and dryer. Again, so lucky to have this. This is such a bonus in New York. You have no idea. So I'm very happy about that. And then this is the master. And so we actually have like an in-suite bathroom, which is so dope. So you walk in and we actually have a stand-up shower now. Sorry, that light is like intense when it comes on. Yeah, so we have a shower, sink, mirror, this cool light. I just think I love the subway tile. I just love how they design everything. Again, we have storage here, which is always, always appreciated. Then you walk over here, and this is the master. Pretty simple until we get all of our stuff in here. Self-explanatory. We're gonna do the dresser here, bed here. Our closet for this is a double door. Voila, it's very spacious. We will take anything. I'm not picky with that stuff. I just want places to be organized. So between that and then all of the outdoor closet, or like the hallway closets right here, we have so much space. And then this is the second bedroom, which is, again, a nice little bedroom. So cute. Closet here. Wow, you guys. So much room, I love it. So yes, this is our new apartment. We are so excited about it. We're so ready to move in. It's gonna be like a whole new thing for us. Like I said, we've been spending so much time here in quarantine that like having this space, the light is going to feel so great. Little update, I've got the island. Look at how cute it looks, you guys. Everything is like a little small for this place. The rug, the island, it still looks good. We have a lot of walking space, which is great. But like, yo. I also, because I'm psychotic, I got new plates. I feel like every new place I go, not that I get new plates, but I get something new. We actually needed new plates. We had these other ones for so long, and this one I was like, oh cute, we're gonna like display them in the island, because like I said, we don't have as much cabinet space. So I think this looks really cute. Look at Gertie. You guys, I can't get over it. Actually, you know what? So Gertie, I'm gonna move her eventually, but I think right there is where I wanna put a Christmas tree this year. Or like in the corner if we don't have a desk by then. But like right here, I feel like the Christmas tree would look really good. It's like the center, somewhat. You wanna wave? Wave your butt.
I'll be back.
We moved the mirror, which surprisingly wasn't as hard as I thought. I look crazy right now, but hi. It's gotta be cleaned, like, yo. But I think it looks really good. It's gonna reflect a lot of light, which this place clearly has. I just put those there for now. I don't know, maybe I'll put them here. Who knows? We've got the, what is this? Like a console entertainment thing right here. We brought the chair down. That'll move once we figure out like the couch is gonna go here. So we'll figure that out. I'm so excited because I feel like I finally have enough room to get one of those like ladder tall bookshelves that I've been wanting, just for more storage, and I think it like lifts the room and makes it look really nice. So I'm really excited to get one of those. We have plants everywhere, and none of this is staying. We're just putting that there for now. The island, the rug, we're gonna start moving kitchen stuff soon. But yay, it's coming together. Okay, a little bit more progress here. We've got the couch, which this actually kind of reminds me of our last place because we have it kind of like in the center of the room. but I love how it looks. I just think it's like very inviting, but I just think it does such a nice job of like separating the living room from the kitchen, which I just think is great. And we have to figure out lighting. So ignore this. I kind of want to like have a lamp with a table here, but obviously all of the outlets are on the wall. So we have to figure that out and add some more lights. So it's been a few days and I thought I would give you a little update on what we moved in. So, well, everything's done. We're officially moved into this place. There are a few things that don't have a home yet, and a few things we're switching out, but overall it was a fairly easy move. We did all of it ourselves, so we just like carried things up and down, which made like unpacking clothes and stuff really easy because I just transferred them on a hanger, like hung them up. So that part went really quick. So overall, it wasn't like a bad move at all, but I have a few little things I'll show you on what we have moved in and some stuff that we're gonna change. Bathroom looks pretty much the same. Obviously, we didn't wanna get like completely new stuff because that'd be silly since we just started decorating our other place. So we have the same shower curtain. The ladder shelf looks great there. I love it. And that's the update on this bathroom. The second bedroom, we're not gonna talk about this. You can kind of tell. It's a little messy. This is the last of our priorities right now. So we'll figure that out. Moving in here, we haven't really done anything to this besides like add stuff into the shower. Our bedroom is still a work in progress. The dresser fits great, which I'm really excited about. All of this stuff on the top, ignore my clothes, is gonna change. I kind of wanna get a mirror here, get rid of this mirror. Like some of this stuff obviously is gonna stay, but I'll just find a new place for the picture. But I love that. And then right now we have a mattress on the floor. I've been wanting to get a new bed for a while. I've had that same bed for actually since I think college. So we ordered a new bed. We were like, let's do this for this new place. I'm very excited. It gets delivered next week. So as of now, we're just mattressing on the floor, nightstands, cute. So it's very simple in here right now. Everything's pretty much moved in though. Like the closet is like Patrick's stuff, my stuff. It's a little messy up there, but you know, we do live here. And then the living room. Amazing. We are putting up our tree this evening, which I'm very excited about. I mentioned that in the beginning of the video. There's Patrick. He is very excited to get our desk, yes, which hopefully will be here
soon.
I'm hoping by Christmas, but
yeah, that'd be great.
With like, yeah, but with shipping delays and things like that, especially with furniture, yeah, I'm thinking it might be after Christmas, beginning of January. Same with the shelf. The only thing we're excited to get, and we're getting it next week, is the bed, which is really awesome.
Yeah, that'll really pull the room together.
Yeah, and then we can actually hang stuff. Also, our TV is here. Same TV, but last time I updated you guys with the living room, it was not here. I moved the lamp over there for now. I have a different tall lamp here. This will probably go in the second bedroom or maybe by the desk. We have to get our TV mounted, so hopefully that happens soon. And then add some fun photos and make it more us. Yeah, that's the latest and greatest. We are loving it so far. Here's the kitchen. I made pancakes, so ignore that. But yeah, kitchen's looking great. Working so well. I'm gonna make dinner tonight on our new stove, which I'm very excited about.
What's for dinner?
It's like a spaghetti situation.
Can't go wrong with that.
What I'm really looking forward to for this Christmas is the snow. I think it's gonna be really pretty from these windows. So that's the first part of our moving in process. As you can tell, a lot of stuff has already changed. We've got our TV mounted, this kind of setup. We also have like, ooh, where is it? Our new lamp, which I was talking about in the beginning of the video. And yeah, so in the next video, you guys are gonna see us decorate for Christmas, our tree, some other things, just Christmassy things. I feel like that's like fun to watch, especially now. It's just happy stuff. I love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love our new place because we sure do. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.